In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an additional broker account in TradingView. This is really useful if you trade with more than one broker, or if you want to separate different strategies under different accounts, but still manage everything from within TradingView. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Most of the time, this will be the main chart screen you see when you're analyzing markets. At the bottom of the screen, look for the trading panel. This is the area where TradingView shows connected brokers and paper trading options. If you don't see it right away, it's usually collapsed, so you might need to click on the small tab at the bottom that says Trading Panel to open it up. Once the trading panel is visible, you should see your current broker connection displayed. Next to the name of your current account, there will be a small arrow or drop-down icon. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This menu is where TradingView lets you manage existing connections and add new ones. After you click the arrow, a list of available options will appear. Here, you should see an option labeled Create Account, or something very close to that, depending on your broker's integration. Click on Create Account to start the process of adding another broker account. When you select this option, TradingView will guide you through the remaining steps specific to your broker. This usually includes logging into your broker's platform through a secure window, confirming that you authorize TradingView to connect, and then naming or selecting the new account so you can easily recognize it later. Just follow the prompts on screen and be sure to take your time so you connect the correct account. Once you're done, your additional broker account will appear in that same drop-down list beside your current account. From then on, you can quickly switch between accounts right from the trading panel, which makes managing multiple accounts much smoother. That's all you need to do to link an additional broker account in TradingView. Keep exploring the trading panel to get comfortable with switching accounts and verifying which one you're currently using before placing any orders.